SNS filter policy allows you to filter a subset of messages only to be delivered. So the idea is we're going to set our subscription attributes. And in here, you can see that we are setting up some filters. So here we're saying anything but for ordered canceled. And we are specifying there, you see price USD numeric over 100. So it's assuming $100 there. If you want your message body, you just have to set the attribute value as message body. So just understand that we can do that there. The filter policy scope here is message attributes. So filter based on message attributes or message body, filter based on the message body. We have filtration options for and, or, key matching, numeric value, anything but, with ranges, with single value exact matching, with string value, anything but matching, string matching using a prefix with anything but operator, string value equals ignore case, string value IP address matching, string value prefix matching, string value suffix matching. So you have a lot of types of matches. I'm not sure why it's like or logic or operator, but they're repeated twice, but I'm sure there's a reason for it. But anyway, there we go.